Hello friends, welcome to the TechVision channel. So friends, today we'll talk about the ASUS GeForce RTX 2060 12GB Dual EVO series graphics card. So friend, ASUS has launched the GeForce RTX 2060 12GB Dual EVO series graphics card. So friends, this EVO and EVO OC edition are designed to power bang for the buck game builds like and previous edition. The new cards use a 2.7 slot heatsink that provide plenty of surface area to dissipate heat. And friend, the two fans use the ASUS Axial-tech design with IP5X dust resistance and larger blades that move more air, and friend, barrier rings around the blades optimize its flow through the large heatsink, allowing the fans to put airflow where it needed most without running full bore. So user get a quieter, cooler gaming experience. And friend, under lighter boards the fan will not spin at all, and friend, ASUS Zero Decibel spin up the fans only when the GPU reaches 55 degrees Celsius, and they will stop spinning once the GPU cools back 50 degrees for a truly silent session. And friend, the premium capacitors and alloy core chokes enable robust power delivery for high performance and longevity. Finally, this rain-watt GeForce RTX 2060 comes with a vast 12GB of video memory, allowing plenty of VRAM headroom for latest titles. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.